Okay, upgrade time. Actually, di naman upgrade. Nasira lang kasi yung ano. So, I'm upgrading my crankset. To this one, Hollowtech. But unfortunately, my drivetrain is 12 speed SLX, so the chain is also 12 speed. But this one, Shimano's Deore MT501 is only for 11 speed. So see this chain doesn't quite sit well with the chain. So I ordered a replacement for the chain ring, and we'll see if it's gonna work. But the Deore crankset looks really nice here. So here is our 12 speed chain ring. So there it says 7 to 12 speed. This is 34 tooth. This is the brand. This will be the first time I'm going to be using this. Of course, it's narrow, wide. I like the simplicity of this one. Not so much prints. Actually, I like this side. I guess we cannot use that, so it should be on this side. Okay, let's try it. So here it is, and problem solved. You can see the chain there, it sits properly now with the chain ring. Working well, no issues, no noise. Great. We'll test it out.